So you might be in a situation where your Apple Pencil is discoverable on your particular iPad. Your Apple Pencil is going through and it's showing up on your iPad, it's connected. But when you're actually tapping it onto the display, nothing is actually working. Now, the very first thing I'd recommend doing here for the most part is to just go ahead and make sure that within your Apple Pencil, the tip of it is fully screwed in. Sometimes the tip can actually be the problem. So what I would recommend doing here, right, for this tip, just make sure that the tip is fully screwed in. So these tips are actually fully, removable. So you can unscrew them and you can screw them in. So just like this. Sometimes the tips can get a little loose, just like it is here. So what I recommend doing is just screwing it in. So lefty loosey, righty tighty. So just remember, if you want to tighten it, just move it to the right. And then when it's fully screwed in, you want to try tapping it onto the display again, and you want to see if that ends up working. For a lot of people, that might end up fixing it. Sometimes if this tip is fully, used for like a large period of time, if it's like kind of scaled down, you may have to go ahead and kind of replace this tip. So there's tips that you can buy on Amazon. They're very, very cheap. So you can just buy these things and replace them that way. Now, if you do that and that doesn't seem to be working, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to actually go through and essentially remove this Apple Pencil from your device list on your iPad. So basically just disconnect it from your iPad settings via the settings application. And then what you want to do is just repair this by just plugging it in, or whatever way you want to go, and whatever Apple Pencil you have. Go ahead and repair this Apple Pencil to your iPad, and that could very well end up fixing the problem as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.